Thank you na. Hindi ko expected yung ganyan. Love you. Ingat ka lagi dyan. And stay good. Salamat dito sa gift mo lang.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. I imagine we fell in love on that under moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Surprise! Happy birthday! Magandang umaga po, AJ, and happy birthday! Kamusta po? May idea po ba kayo? Kanina nang galing ito? Wala po ba? So mamaya po alamin natin. Sa ngayon po, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy birthday! At dahil sa araw niyo po, meron po kayong birthday cake. At dahil sa arawan mo, sir, kantahan ka lang po namin ng birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sir, wish po muna bago blow the candle. Happy birthday! Basahin ko lang nakalagay sa cake. Happy 62nd birthday, love. Happy birthday. At dahil kaarawan niyo po, syempre, meron po kayong flower bouquet with 1,000 pesos. Happy birthday! Happy birthday po! At dahil kaarawan niyo po, may kasama po itong kalamansi. At syempre, may kasama po itong birthday message. Pero bago ko po basahin, magpakilala po muna kami. Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Nandito po kami upang gawin extra special ang inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday! Sir, basahin ko na po. Hi, love! Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko para sa'yo, stay in good health with your family and always pray for God. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo, even nasa sitwasyon tayo ng long distance relationship. Again, happy birthday sa'yo, love. I love you. Love, Anna. All the way from Kuwait. Happy birthday. Kamusta po? Na-surprise po ba? So ano po masasabi mo po ng sandal natin? Nanonood po siya ngayon. Message pa kasama dito po sir.
Thank you na. Hindi ko expected yung ganyan. Love you. Ingat ka lagi dyan. And stay good. Salamat dito sa gift mo lang.
Yan. Ang ganda naman ng message ni sir. Mapasaya talaga si ma'am. Ngayon po, dyan, may kaibigan po ba? Kilala niyo sir? Birthday message po sa kanya? Pwede po ba? Nanipit lang si sir. Kung wala na po sa yung babate, kami naman po mga staff gustong bumati sa inyong kaarawan. Sa iyo po Sir AJ, binabati ka po namin ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. And lastly po sa aming sender kay Ma'am Ana, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang mahatid po itong surpresa para po kay Sir AJ. Ipapatuloy lang po ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayo dyan mag-ingat sa abroad. God bless po. Kayo po ulit
Happy birthday po.
Ilan. Love you.
My love will always stay by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love